मैम ये मैम ये चला मैम
Thank you for cooperating.
मैम स्ट्रेट मैम चला मैम सामने मैम
And I don't think we could have found anyone better to launch this book tonight. And our authors today are no less illustrious. We have Bhavna Somaya, who's been writing on screen, worked on all mediums, and who's still active on all mediums, radio, TV, and print as well. And this is her 11th book till now. And introducing the other two authors, they are Jigna Kothari has turned about the book. This is one of the this book is one of a kind, because all the books that we have in the market about women in Hindi cinema concentrate only on the visual aspect of it, and everyone has a really nice coffee table book about the women in Hindi cinema. This is one book that looks at how the women in Hindi cinema have evolved from the time when there were no women acting in Hindi cinema. I hope that all of you women, the mothers, the maidens and the mistresses here have a really great time along with your partners or the men in your life, and you have a really great time reading this book. Thank you. And now I would request Bhavna ji to say something about the book and proceed.
First and foremost, Rupa, you had promised to put that sofa there so that some more people can sit. And Pradeep Bandekar promised me that he would carry the sofa and put it there. What happened? As we wait for our second chief guest to arrive, in the meantime, I will tell you about the journey of this book. One day I casually mentioned to Shabana Azmi, my friend, that I was contemplating on a book which was going to profile the journey of women in cinema. So she looked at me and she said, if you are going to do a book on the women in cinema, then there are so many books on women in cinema, and if you really want to do it, then yours has to be the best. Now this is the problem with talking to Shabana Azmi about anything. She puts the rung so high and the standard so high that whatever I had started writing, I kind of demolished it. And at that time I was already working on 2 more books. So I thought that maybe if I include more people to write the book with me, because the canvas is so vast, that maybe we will all pitch in and make it into a better book. A common friend, Milind Shirke, recommended Supriya and Jigna, and I made a call to both of them, and I have registered them in my mobile phone. I didn't know their numbers, surnames at that time. So it was Jigna Supriya and the second is Supriya Jigna. And Jigna has preserved that SMS message where I said that I'm Bhavna Somaya and would you consider meeting me or something like that. And she said, of course, who wouldn't want to meet you? So I was very flattered with that. When I met them, I was really not sure how far we were going to travel. For a couple of meetings, we just talked, we are waiting for Supriya, about how we could explore this idea. And then we realized that how much we were enjoying being with each other, and more than that, we felt so passionately about cinema. I cannot tell you, I think we started in 2007 and this is 2012, and even if we believe that HarperCollins sat on the idea for 1 year, even then we have travelled on the book for 3 years, ideating, researching, talking, looking at films, revisiting films, rechecking our facts, again rewriting them, innumerable discussions, innumerable disagreements, and also innumerable coffees. It was Marco Mein Jeena Chahti Hu. It was finally Harper who said that no, it should be Mother, Maiden, Mistress, and it's a title that's clicked with everybody unanimously. Supriya